How quickly can you get a page built using Easy Builder's brand new AI feature? That's what I'm going to be covering. If you want to learn how to use Easy Builder's brand new AI feature, then please do stay tuned for this video. So in this video, I'm going to go into the web builder and I'm going to show you what it's like to build a page from scratch. So I'm going to go into the web builder section here, and if you're not familiar with the menu system, you'll find it just here on the left hand side there under website builder. I've gone into pages, and at the top here I've got a couple of options. I can either create a page and that's from scratch using the manual method, or I can start to build a page with AI. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to build this test page out. I'm just going to call it test AI builder page. Okay. And I can choose to display a menu at the top of that page, same as normal. I can also choose the privacy settings for that page. So unpublished is the equivalent of having it in draft form. Everyone means everybody can see it, and password protected means that you have to enter a password that you can choose so that you can view that page. And then under the pricing section, you can have the page freely available, or you can actually make it a premium page that people have to pay access for. So maybe if you've got a white paper or something to download, or maybe a video that's premium access that people have to pay for as a one-off to access that, then you can set that up really easily. You can choose premium, choose the price, be that one time or subscription, and then you can set the amounts and that sort of stuff. But for now, we'll leave it as free, and we're going to go ahead and click create. Now, this is next going to load up the AI builder, and this is the form that you can fill in to start creating your page. So we'll work through this top to bottom. So in this form is where you start to create your page. So in the page type, you've got a lot of options here, and this will guide the AI tool to create the page for you. So if we just click on the drop down arrow there, I'm not going to explain what all of these are, but there's funnel type pages, so you can create sales funnels, squeeze pages, tripwire pages, upsell and downsell pages, order confirmation pages, there's checkout pages, thank you pages, bridge pages. And then from a marketing perspective, landing, sales, product pages, lead magnet opt-ins, coming soon or pre-launches. You'd have waitlist pages, you can have advertorials, video sales letter pages, comparison pages are on there as well. And then you can have things under education like course sales page, coaching programs, workshops, boot camps, online summits, ebook downloads, challenge sign-ups, webinar registrations, and so on the list goes. And then under business, there's agency, SaaS products, services page, pricing page, consultancy, booking pages. So many different options. I'm not going to go through them all. But for now, I'm just going to head under the marketing section, and I'm just going to choose the page that says landing page. Now, for the industry, I'm going to use myself here. So I am a digital skills coach, and my brand name is Help with Digital. Now, in the page description box, this is where I get to start to talk about what this page is about. And I can include anything that I want to in here, up to 3,000 characters. And I can include everything about dates, prices, features, testimonials, your experience or my experience. The more detail I go into here, the better. So I want to create a landing page for a webinar that is fast as fuck ways to turn your knowledge into revenue. It will be held at 10:30 a.m. on 17th July 2026. It's suitable for coaches and trainers or anyone that has knowledge that they want to package and sell package into online products. The event would usually be charged at £299 per seat, but the early bird price is just £49 for the first few bookings. In addition to their seat at the event, they will also be given the chance to attend a private 15-minute consultation with me. The benefits of them attending is they will leave with fresh ideas that they can use to quickly turn their knowledge into additional revenue streams. The call to action is to book a meeting, but call it something better than that. And the link that the buttons should go to are helpwithdigital.com. I'll spell it correctly. Now, next up, I'm going to choose whether the theme is dark or light. I'm going to say dark, and the target audience is scaling successful trainers and coaches. Right. So next up, we're going to go into the branding section. Now, there's a couple of options here. You can use the brand colors that are available already in the web builder, or what you can do is you can create colors just here. So you can have a primary color and an accent color. So I'm just going to change that primary color actually to my brand blue. We'll keep the accent color as the green, and then we'll go ahead and design the page. Now, this bit does take a little bit of time. You want to give it, you know, a few seconds, couple of minutes for it to do its work. It's going to go ahead and take all the information that you've submitted. And here's where I've got to now. So I've now got the AI page builder up, and you can see it's recommending 7 different sections here. So I've got a hero section at the top, then I've got a problem section, what you'll leave with, who this is perfect for, your all access pass, about your host, and your next step. So here we go. It's given the headline up here in this text box. Now, bear in mind, I can make any changes that I want to up here, and I can edit those to suit. So the headline here is 7 fast ways to turn your knowledge into revenue. And then the subheadline is a free 60-minute live webinar for coaches and trainers ready to package their expertise into scalable income. The date and time is Thursday the 17th of July 2026 at 10:30 a.m. BST, and the call to action button is reserve my free seats, and that leads to www.helpwithdigital.com. The micro copy underneath that is usually $299, free for early registrants. Okay, so that's what we've got there. I think we said, did we say free? I think we said £49 for early registrants. So see how easy you can change that just there. Now, I'm not going to go through all of these sections just here, but you can see how I've just made a little bit of a tweak to that one. I can go through the problem section just by clicking on these here. So the problem here, you've got knowledge that pays if only you knew how. Most coaches and trainers are sat on a gold mine of expertise. They don't know how to monetize beyond one-to-one sessions. The pain points: trading time for money limits your income. Content creation feels overwhelming and never ending. You know you could scale but don't know where to start. Packages feel too complicated to build. What if you could change that in just one session? Now, underneath each bit of text as well, there's a layout and design section. You can see here it's got a dark charcoal background. It's given the guidance on the hex code. It said that it should be a left-aligned content block with headline, subhead, and bullet pointed paint points using accent color icons. Transition question at the bottom creates the bridge to the next section. Moderate padding, clear visual break from hero. So you can see how not only can you give it the content, but you can give it guidance as well on the design. Now, if you wanted to, you can move all of these sections about. So there's some little arrows here where you can move them up and down. Don't worry if you don't get the page exactly as you want it to be, because further on in the process, you'll have all sorts of edit options. So I'm just going to go to the button now, which is in the bottom corner just here, and click on Generate 7 Sections. And you can see now it's started to build the page out. And this is going to take a little while. You just need to give it some time to play out. It's pretty fast, actually, and it's a lot quicker than it takes me to design a page from scratch. You know, typically I will spend a good couple of hours. So in the time it's taken me to say that, this page is now built. So I'm going to click on the Done button at the bottom and open the builder up. So here is my brand new page. 7 fast ways to turn your knowledge into revenue. A free 60-minute live webinar for coaches and trainers ready to package their expertise into scalable income. I love how it's presented the date here. I love how it's got that bold call to action. Reserve my free seat. I like how it's got that little animation on it. On the button hover as well, and just in lower print here, usually £299, £49 for early registrations. You've got knowledge that pays if only you knew how. And notice how it's used the dark theme that I selected, but it's used those brand colours that I put in at the beginning, so the design feels like it resonates with my brand. But look, you know, it's like a professional editor and designer has put this together for me. Most coaches and trainers are sat on a goldmine of expertise. They don't know how to monetize beyond one-to-one sessions. They trade in time for money limits your income. Content creation feels overwhelming and never ending. You know you could scale, but you don't know where to start. Packages feel too complicated to build. What if you could change that in just one session? So look how this is, you know, knowing my clients and my target audience as well as I do, this is fantastic. This is really speaking their language. Now you can see how it's got a lovely, just lovely sections to it here. It's got my name here, Alex Morgan, but we're going to need to change some of these things here. Very easy to do. So when I click on a section, notice how I can add a section in here. So if I wanted to, I could add a section in the manual way using any of these templates or by creating my own. I can also add an AI section in here. And when I do that, that pops up this window here, and I can literally just chat and explain to the tool what my new section is going to be. I'm not going to go into that. Like I say, there's other tutorials that will come out. But if I want to edit this section here, again, I can click on the pencil icon and just go into this section. And I want to update the image to this one. What I'm going to do actually is I'm just going to open up a separate window, and I am going to find an image of myself to use instead, because obviously I am not Alex Morgan. And what I want to do is just give this chat window a prompt to update the link to this one. Okay, and it's simple as just putting it in the chat. So what I've added in the chat, it's just behind my head actually here. I want to update the image to this one, and then I've put the link to the image in there. I also want to say, change the name to AD House. I've helped hundreds of coaches and trainers transform their knowledge into profitable digital products without the tech overwhelm or content overload. My focus, real strategies that work. I hate the words no fluff. Change the word fluff to nonsense. In fact, let's put change the word fluff to bullshit. There we go. No, build it and they will come myths, just proven paths from expertise to income. I started exactly where you are, and I know what it takes to make the leap. Make the leap to develop online products that generate real income. There we go. So I've just put in some changes there. I'm updating the image. I'm updating my name. Obviously, I've made some tweaks to the text as well. But you can see what I've done. I've just literally typed that in as a prompt. And this is, as good as having a developer sat next to me, really. Right, mate, can you change that image for this one? Can you change the name? Can you update these words here? Don't like that term. Can you tweak that? And that's what you can do. Now, I've just given it some feedback on content because I'm quite happy with how this is designed and how it's looking. But if you do have any feedback on the design elements itself, please just give it that too. And, give it that brief. If you want to change the color of something, then just do that. So here it is. It's changed that to about your host. Hi, I'm AD House. It's updated the image. I've helped hundreds of coaches and trainers transform their knowledge into profitable digital products. For some reason, it's changed the background color. I'm not quite sure why that is. Let's go change the background color to charcoal grey and make the text stand out on that darker background. Maybe using an off-white colour. There we go. So I'm not sure why it's just updated there, but there is actually a setting up here. So if you go to the top corner, you can go and grab the different elements just here. So you can change the content, you can change the layout of it, and you can change the position of things, the background color, etc., etc., all very easily using that panel there. So you've got desktop, you've also got tablet here as well, you've got mobile here too, but you can see how it's now updated that background. And if I wanted to do, I can just click on update here, and then that's updated that on the page, and when I close it down, you can see that's updated on this page just here. There's a bit of an error there that I just need to sort out and clear out the way. But so that's a very quick, rough and ready demonstration of how you add sections in or edit the ones that you've got and things like that. Now, like I say, there's lots more tutorials to come on this. It's a fantastic builder. I know that's been a fairly lengthy video already, but as I get more and more into the detail of how this powerful builder works, then I'll be sharing more videos with you in the very near future. On that note, like I say, please stick a thumbs up on this video. It really does help. Subscribe for more tips like this one, and I'll see you next time.